Optimizing your Shopify store for Google, Bing, and other search engines is critical for helping potential customers discover your site. Many of the tenets of search engine optimization (SEO) are based on providing users with a positive experience. The easier it is to discover and use your Shopify store, the more likely people are to shop with you. The fundamentals covered in our SEO guide also apply to Shopify SEO, but there are some tricks involved in getting a Shopify site fully optimized for search. There are also nuances and other factors to be mindful of when evaluating the platform's SEO capabilities. Get the periodic table of SEO factors. In this guide we address the SEO fundamentals and technical considerations to improve your Shopify store's search rankings to increase traffic and sales. Shopify's page editor. Shopify's content management system (CMS) has a page editor with a simple user interface to build landing pages, product detail pages, and blog posts. The page editor allows for basic formatting options, headings, tables, and the ability to edit in HTML. You can also upload photos and embed video to the pages. The search engine listing preview section automatically generates a page title and meta description based on the content you enter in the page details section. Page titles are an important ranking factor. They provide search engines with information about the contents of your page, and they often appear as the headline for your search result. Meta descriptions are often what appears under the title in search results. They should summarize the content of the page for prospective customers and can help improve click-throughs to your site. The Shopify page editor allows you to manually revise your titles and descriptions. If you're not content with the ones automatically generated, optimize them to include the keywords you'd like to rank for and appeal to customers browsing the search results. Analytics. Shopify sites are compatible with two very useful free tools: Google Search Console and Google Analytics. Google Search Console helps site owners monitor and troubleshoot their site's presence in Google search results and provides data on the queries that are leading prospects and customers to your pages. Google Analytics shows you how people arrived at your site and behaved once they got there. Search Console and Analytics are critical tools for SEO. To connect your Shopify store to Google Search Console, you'll need to add a piece of code to your homepage. Shopify has a great video on this. There are two things to keep in mind when verifying your Search Console account for your Shopify store. Google will only index the current theme and only if the theme is live. Setting up Google Analytics is as simple as enabling it in your Shopify site preferences, acquiring your tracking ID, and pasting it into the associated field within Shopify. Domain security and speed. You can buy a custom domain through Shopify starting at $11 per year on top of your monthly Shopify plan. If you opt to go without a custom domain, your site's URL will be your sitename.myshopify.com. Having your own custom domain is much better branding, conveys more professionalism, and greatly increases your chance of ranking well in searches for your business name. Site speed and security are Google ranking factors, and they go hand in hand with user experience. Slow load times may lead customers to bounce before your page loads, which means they won't be buying from you. Shopify features a content delivery network (CDN) that can help keep page load times down no matter where in the world your customers are browsing. Even with Shopify's CDN, image file size can disproportionately increase page load times. Selecting the appropriate format to compress your images is one way to keep file sizes under control. JPEGs will generally result in smaller file sizes than PNGs, which are more suitable when you need a transparent background in your image. Tools such as Google's PageSpeed Insights can help you identify opportunities to increase site speed by suggesting different image formats and other speed optimizations. All Shopify plans also come with an SSL certificate which encrypts data sent between your site and its visitors. This is important because Google gives a small ranking boost to secure sites and because many browsers will display a security warning when users attempt to visit a site without an SSL certificate. You can check this one off your worry list. Shopify apps. One big advantage of a platform like Shopify is the app ecosystem that makes it easy to add more features and tools to your site with little to no coding. There are apps to help you manage inventory, take customer support tickets, run affiliate programs, and yes, optimize your site for search. Shopify has dozens of SEO apps. Since e-commerce stores typically feature many product photos, image optimization is key. Tiny IMG SEO Image Optimizer has hundreds of 5-star reviews and can help keep your load times down.